Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the W20 cryptocurrency wallet. It's a cold wallet by Secux, a crypto blockchain security company. On the back here, we're going to see all the included contents and what it supports. Some of those included currencies are Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Dash, Binance, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, Doge, any ERC20 tokens, and I believe it has support for BIP20 tokens as well, which is a nice inclusion, allowing for a very versatile wallet. Really nice packaging and lots of good features. This is a great beginner wallet. It does have Bluetooth and a secure element chip. It's EAL5 Plus certified. It's an Infineon security element built in, so that's where your private keys are stored, making sure that they never leave the device, and I believe it also stores your PIN. We're going to weigh out the device here, or more so the packaging. Weighs in at about 155 grams total. That's everything in the package. The device itself weighs about 60 grams, so it's a pretty lightweight device. So first thing we're going to do is test out some of these security seals, see if we can get into the device without actually opening the box or making it look like we tampered with it. This is really important for security reasons. If you ever get a wallet or anything to do with cryptocurrency and the security seals are tampered with or the box is tampered with, make sure you send that back. I'm pleasantly surprised with how the security seals are working. They seem to be fairly tamper-proof. There's no easy way to get into this box without wrecking them, which is really nice. I thought, given that they were only on one side of the box, that it might be a little bit easy to get in, but they seem to do the job really well. You can see that they leave a mark on the packaging, even if you take it off with a razor blade, which is good. So this is the device. It's got a 2.8-inch touchscreen. Kind of nice and shiny. It looks really slick. I immediately noticed that it's very lightweight. It's made out of plastic. Maybe not the most robust device, but still a nice device. Nice and lightweight, would be easy to carry around with you. There's the Secux logo loading in here. And a nice tamper-proof seal over the USB port, so you can make sure no one's loaded any malware on the device. We're just going to peel this off real quick. Again, it goes without saying that if you receive this device and that's removed, do not use it. It does use a micro USB. I might like to see a USB-C on there, but micro USB is fine. And a nice velvet carrying case. Of course, all the instructions and leaflets that come with most devices. This one shows how to set up your PIN. Really easy to follow instructions, which is really nice. Of course, we get a couple private key cards here and just the regular instruction manual showing how to go over everything. Alright, so back to the device. We're going to boot it up now and take a closer look. Here I'm just going to set my PIN, so you're going to see me take it off. We've set our private key and we've named the device. So now that we're into the device, we're going to go for a bit of an exploration through it. Couple features, obviously you can take a peek through. This is where your accounts would be. The Bluetooth is toggleable. Got a bit of an info display here, which is nice as well. Settings, lock. You can rename your device if you wish. Change your PIN. Again, here's just testing out the Bluetooth. Really nice, so you don't have to have that Bluetooth on all the time. And of course, you do have a hidden wallet feature as well, which is really nice. So you can actually set a secondary separate PIN and have a separate wallet altogether within the same device. The way that works is it creates a 25th word, and that's how you back up your new wallet, your hidden wallet. Got some basic settings and just a nice touch screen. Seems to be nice and easy to use. So now we're logged on to their website. Now it is important to note that this is a website. You would go to their home website at secux.tech.com, and then you would navigate over to their wallet part of the website. You can connect via USB and Bluetooth. In this case, I'm opting in for the USB. Just a nice welcome kind of thing here that goes over all the features, which is really nice. When you're a beginner, it really helps to have some form of education. So we're going to click through and continue here and go for a bit of an explorer. Firmware update is right in front of you. Getting started, lots of instructions, lots of support right off the bat. If you're just starting out with crypto, this is really nice to see. If you're a vet and this is your first time using this wallet, it's really nice as well. The wallet is compatible with BIP32, BIP39, and BIP44 standards. That's your 12, 18, and 24 recovery words. Of course, the website you can use with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux. Connects very easily, no hassle. Now, one thing to note, you will see a pop-up when you connect, and it'll list your wallet. It's important to select that wallet. Really nice settings here. Easy to go through. Everything's just right in your face. Really easy to find. Of course, on the side here, we have all our supported currencies. So we're going to connect to our Bitcoin here and set up a new account. Really easy. You just select the currency you want. You click add account. You can name it, which is a great feature, especially if you're storing for multiple reasons or however you decide to do things. You can really organize your cryptocurrencies easily. And of course, you can have multiple accounts as well, making it super easy to keep track of everything, in and outflows, of course. And here we're just going to go through the send function. Really easy. I do wish they had the ability to choose how much you were sending based off of dollar amounts, but this works just as great. You do have the dollar amounts next to it, so you just have to do a bit of trial and error if you're looking for a specific amount. This webcam feature is really nice to use, makes it super easy if you're sending to a wallet address on your phone or if you have one printed out. And copying the address is easy. You do have to confirm on the device, which is nice as well. It just makes you double check everything, make sure you're sending to the right address, and it does display on the device as well. You will see that in a little bit here. It does have a buy and sell swap service built right into it. I believe it's using Changelly, if I'm not mistaken, and one other service. Website just moves super easy, super smooth. There's no lagging. It's all very snappy. So now we're going to go and set up an Ethereum wallet. It's a very similar process. Not sure what's going on here. There we go. Very fast, very simple setup. I'm just getting my device together here so I can show you how it appears on the actual device as we go through all these steps. Now, the beauty of having a hardware wallet is, again, that it does keep the private keys on the device, so it actually never touches your computer or the internet, and that's what that security element does. So we're going to click send here. On the second step is when things would pop up on your screen asking for a confirmation, and you can see it is just very snappy, works very, very well, very quick. And there I go, I confirm it. Now you can copy it and paste it into whatever exchange you're using or whoever is sending you cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin in this case. So we're going to go back to the home page here, just test everything out a little bit more. And you can see that was the receive address. And now I'll go and show you how to add another account and how that looks setting it up. There we go, it was that quick, and you can see it's already loaded onto your wallet and ready to go. Again, there's that W20 standard. That's the Binance sort of equivalent to an ERC20 token. So now we're going to move to our phone so I can show you a little bit how it looks on there. So we're going to connect. Of course, our name pops up right here. We enter a one-time pairing code. So unless you have the device, you wouldn't be able to pair to it. That's a great security feature. And now we're in. You can see all the wallets that we've had set up before, our Binance, our Bitcoin, our Ethereum. Just a little message here. Really nice and easy to use. If you've used any application or any hot wallet before, you'll be very used to how this works. Everything's right in your face. There's no mess, or it's not cluttered, which is really nice. Just displays your Bitcoin address or any of your addresses just like that. You can copy it straight from your wallet. It's got a nice search function. So if you have lots of accounts on here, it's easy to move around and navigate what you're looking for. Really nice UI too. Everything's crystal clear, easy to see, and right in front of your face. So now we're going to go to the send area. You got the adjustable fee, which is a must-have of any wallet. And now we're just kind of playing around, exploring it. I really like how obvious and easy this wallet is to use. If you're a beginner, it's a great choice. Even if you're advanced, it's nice not to have to fight with your wallet. Lots of settings. You can change your currency type so you can see your amount displayed in your local currency. There's not too many settings, which I like. It's just simple, straight to the point, easy to use. So now we're going to input an amount, even though there's nothing in the wallet, and we're going to go through and show you how a send would look. Just like that. We're going to scan our own device, ironically. Super easy to do. And there you go, just like that. The Secux W20 is a very robust device, has lots of options for the price point, great security, and a great design overall. I give it a 4 for security. I would like to see maybe a application, be careful of phishing scams for the website, 4 for reliability, and 4 for ease of use. Super easy to use. The price is a 4.5. You can't get better than the 2.8 touchscreen and all the features that are packed into this little device. Have a great day, guys.